What is up, everyone? Oh, look, there's someone outside. Okay. Is my day off. It is Thursday, and it's really upsetting because I don't get paid until tomorrow. So, we can't spend too much money today. But I have a day off today, and I haven't had a day off in a while, or like at least a decent day off where I didn't work both jobs. So I decided to bring you guys along with me today. We are just going to go run some errands. I have to get a car wash. My tank is at a quarter tank, so I need to get gas as well. So we've got a lot of things to do today. Let's go ahead and start the day.
I'm too cocky, I know my worth. I'm too cocky. I'm too cocky for my shirt.
So bad. I'm so sorry. So I just got back into my car. It has been a very eventful morning. I didn't really get to vlog it just because I was really frustrated. Like, I did not get gas last night when I came home from work because I didn't come home until like 10 o'clock, and I was kind of like not really wanting to go and like get gas. There's a guy in front of me parked in this parking lot too, and he's just staring at me. This is my favorite song right now.
My Henix, no dubs. My old girl still got a grasp. I'm sliding with my main bag.
I just left the club and I'm tipsy, so be on your way. I already know that.
Alright guys, we are back home. I'm so tired. Like I said earlier, as I was saying earlier, I like left the house and I was planning to just go straight, get gas, and then do whatever I have to do. But no, all the gas stations near my house were closed. Like, I went to Argo because it's cheap, and there was like no one there, and there was like yellow tape all around. So I was like, alright, whatever. So I went to Chevron, which is close to my house. And the guy comes out, hey, no power, no power. And I was just like, okay. And I'm literally like running on like an eighth of a tank, like not even a quarter. Like, I was freaking out because I had two options. Number one, I could have either went home and just not got anything done, or number two, I could have just went to another, like a whole bunch of different gas stations further from where I was and get gas there. But I decided to go on base, and I just got gas there. Luckily, their gas was working. Their system was kind of slow, but it's still working, so I was able to get gas. And then afterwards, I got a car wash, and then I went to school, got annoyed again because I filled out all the paperwork, but it was wrong, so I have to go back. And I really wanted to get that done today, but whatever, what can you do? And then after that, I just did some thrifting, and now I'm back home. Right, so I went to the thrift store and bought I went back and bought the dresser and the nightstand. The nightstand is fine, but I'm going to paint the dresser. And I went to Lowe's, bought some paint, sanding stuff, and like little pulley thingies, whatever they're called, knobs. So yeah, hopefully this turns out well. so this is just a quick update. There's paint everywhere on my arms and legs and my shoes and probably my clothes, but I think I'm done painting for now. I did about three coats. So yeah, I decided to paint the sides too. I'm not sure if I want to paint like the inside. I probably won't, and I'll just leave it like that. But it's turning out really cute. Right, I think they're dry now. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the new little knobs. I grabbed these ones as well as these like plain gold ones, and I'm probably gonna put these ones at the top. So yeah. What's up? I feel like I haven't updated you like all day since I put together the dresser, but right now, excuse me, I'm just fixing up the room, putting stuff, moving stuff around. If you know me, I literally move around the room like every month, so this is gonna be like for this month how it's gonna be. We're also still trying to like finish up the room a little bit before school, hopefully, so that way once school starts we don't have to worry about like getting extra furniture, like keeping things organized. But so far this is what we are looking at. I moved the dresser here. I have to like fix it because they're kind of hard to pull out because my dumb decided to paint the insides, but anyways, that's I'll probably get like something like screw on the things on the side where it like slides out easier, but I put that in the corner. I have like my makeup stuff here. Everything is literally a mess, so don't mind that. I have these up there, that our calendars right here. This desk actually used to be all the way over there, but I wanted my own little like corner, so I put that there. We have our calendar, a little shelf. This is like Brian's side of the desk, the mirror. I took that out because it was just completely falling apart. I literally hate those plastic like dressers because they fall apart so easily. And I just replaced it with this like storage thing that we've had. I wanted it to go sideways, but it's actually a little bit too wide, so that didn't happen. And then I just have like literally all of this mess from like where everything was previously. So yeah, I also have the end table that I purchased earlier at the thrift store right here. I feel like it's a little too wide, or at least wider than I guess I'm used to, or that I thought it would be, but it is here for now. Right now I just have to finish like putting everything away and cleaning up, so